Welcome back to our channel, everyone. In this video I will show you how to manipulate time or time remap in Premiere Pro. So let's get into it. Alright, here we are in Premiere Pro and we are going to make a sequence if you haven't already and place your video inside of the sequence. For this purpose we are going to change the settings of the sequence to match our video, and just like that. By holding Alt, I'm scrolling in so I can see everything better while I'm working. And just make this window a lot bigger so we can see the thumbnail. And now we are ready to start working on it. So first what you need to do, you need to right click on the video. And over here on the bottom you can see show clip keyframes. Press on that, time ramping, and speed. As you can see now, two lines appeared over here, and this line represents actually the speed. It's on 100% now, and if we want to make the whole video faster, we are going to move this line up, and if we want to make it slower, we can move it down. So those are the basics for manipulating time if you want to make it the whole video faster or the whole video slower. But I will show you now how to use keyframes to change the speed of some parts of the videos only. So first I will try to find my keyframe for starting. And to place a keyframe, we're gonna hold Control button or Option for Mac. Just click anywhere on the timeline where you want to start. The keyframe will split the line in two parts, and now if you change the left side or the right side, the other side will not be changed. Next, what we want to do, we want to make the first part of the video faster, like this. You can experiment with the percentage and we can see the video, how it looks like. Okay. Let's find another keyframe for the end of this scene. Again, hold Control and press on the left click where you want to place another keyframe. As you can see, that's a very strong transition from fast to slow. So if we want to make it a little bit smoother, we're gonna click on any of these blue keyframe parts and just drag it on the left or right side to make it more smooth. And you can see on your screen above, your screen splits in two, and you can see the starting and the ending of the slow motion transition. Okay, this is where I want it to end. And as you can see in the middle, there is a blue line that appeared. So by manipulating these blue lines, you're gonna make your transitions from fast to slow or slow to fast even more smoother, and they're gonna look a lot more better with this. If you hover over, you can see a circle appears next to your mouse cursor. So what you can do, you can just grab that line and move it either side so you can make a nice curve in between. This will make your transition a lot more smoother, so make sure you experiment with those, see what you like and what you need for the situation that you're in. And now I will fast forward through this part of the video where I'm finishing the other parts of the clip that I have, and I will let you see the results. And now what we need to do before the export, we need to right click on the video, go to time interpretation, and choose optical flow. This will be visible only after the export, so let's see the video. And that would be all for this tutorial, guys. I hope you learned something new about time remapping in Premiere Pro. If you have any more questions, feel free to ask me down below. I will be there to answer. Leave a like if you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in the next one.